Start now.
Yeah, my face isn't what my audience is looking for.
Yeah.
So this is the Firefly box. Came in. This lid is really on there. Daughter is holding the camera.
Hi.
So they did a really nice job on the box. Oh wow, on the inside too. Look at that. Super nice. Super nice. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. What have we got? A little note from Gale Force 9. Some stickers, it looks like. Love that. Looks like the instruction book. I'll flip through it real quick. What's in the box? Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. It looks like they have generally tokens, but nothing that breaks those tokens into what exactly you're actually supposed to have. There we go. Oh wow. Okay. There's a lot there. Pretty rad. Okay, we'll look through that more later. Let's see what else is in the box. Tokens, okay.
A lot of them.
Guessing that's everything. More tokens. Ooh. That's a hole. That's where a card goes. I'm missing something. That's a little disappointing, considering I spent, I think, close to $500 for this game and all the accessories and add-ons. Maybe it'll be down here in the bottom of the box. Looks like some trays for players to use to put all their tokens and stuff in.
Storage is
Another
important.
storage, okay, yeah, it's great. I love that it's coming with all these trays pre-built. We usually have to design and custom 3D print trays for our games, so that's a super nice touch.
What is that?
That is a little Stegosaurus token. That's really rad. Have to be a fan to get that. Looks like maybe these are the big damn hero cards. I don't know. I'll maybe going to the comic book store tomorrow and getting some card sleeves, because it looks like I've got story cards, solo play cards, setup cards. You can't take the sky from me. All right, we got some dice. Very nice, very nice.
Jokes.
Oh, that's just a line from the theme song, babe. This looks like cash money. Pretty cool.
That's some big cash.
Pretty cool. There's also a little bottom here in this tray. It looks like it's supposed to hold something. I hope we're not missing anything else. Looks like a dice bag. So they've included some baggies to hold stuff in between games. Nice little silica gel packet. Nice of them to include snacks. Let's see what else. These. Maybe this is different ships. Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
Yummy.
Yeah. And just in case someone underage is watching this video, don't eat this. It says do not eat.
Yes.
It's to keep humidity from ruining the paper.
Silica gel is not edible. Please do not consume it.
I mean, it probably wouldn't really hurt you all that bad, but it says do not eat for a reason, so don't eat it.
Looks like there's also another area.
Yeah, it's another area for something. I don't know. Maybe pens or pencils if we need. Something like that. I don't know.
Ooh.
Ooh, more cards. We got a lot of cards.
Yay.
There's a lot of layers to this box. Oh wow, this one's big. Okay, let me try to get this side out. I just dropped something underneath here. Ugh. Okay, I love that we have these clear poly shells on top.
It also looks like this is a whole.
It's a whole game mat, it looks like.
Yeah.
That is super nice, very high quality. And we've got. Don't cram it. Some more cards. Again, we have an empty tray here. I don't know what we're doing there. A little tray here. Those
little stands.
Those look like little stands. We're supposed to have some little models of ships in here too. So
hopefully we're not missing more things. More cards! Yay! And a mystery box.
I bet this is the ships.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice. So I thought the ships were supposed to be big, but I guess I misunderstood. It's okay, these are perfect.
Maybe the little holes in the storage compartments are for holding the ships when they're not in their box.
Maybe. But, okay. We've got some different vessels here. I love it. I think this is expansion packs here, and this one looks like a whole bunch of Fireflies and a couple other little expansion ships. Packed by A, packed by B.
And then it
was made in China, so I don't doubt that they refer to them by letter. Let's take a look at the bottom of that box. That is slick. That is slick. A lot of details here.
And a lot of clear plastic.
All of these little trays have embossings or debossings, if you want to be particular. On the bottom, it looks like they're different to indicate which set of cards goes in each one. That's pretty nice. Take one out and show them. There you go.
Also showed him the other box.
All right, cool. I do not see the missing card anywhere in here. So it looks like I'm gonna have to find Gale Force 9's social accounts and say, hey, you guys, I'm gonna need you to send me a replacement for that.
Because we're missing stuff.
Yeah, because I paid a lot of money for this. Oof.
Here, I'll help you.
Sorry, yeah.
It's clearly not.
I can only twist about 120 degrees, any more than that. And we'd start to look like The Exorcist. Okay. So we can get that to fit in there. All right, clean first try. Put our clear lid on. And then this one went back.
Then we put the little storage compartments on.
Little player trays.
Which, if you notice, also have...
Oh, yeah. Nice little deboss on the bottom to indicate what goes where, it looks like.
Is this a 4-player game?
You know, I'm going to have to read the instructions. I've never played the base game before. And then, of course, I went out and bought the collector's edition with...
Why does he look so sad?
Because he's so sad.
Why?
You have to go, you know, of course, then I went out and bought the $220 collector's edition game.
Who hurt you?
You're the worst.
Who hurt you?
Okay, something is not quite fitting right in here.
Yum.
What am I not doing correctly?
That's fitting.
This is it. There we go. That little lip was just sticking out a little bit. That's better.
I love playing Jenga with paper and plastic.
Conspicuous little hole here. And missing card.
Never trust a conspicuous little hole. I'm not showing the face, but he is giving me the biggest side eye right now.
Yeah, glory holes are to be avoided.
And it's not exactly what I meant, but okay. More tokens. Warrant issued.
Yeah.
No idea what that means. Never played the game.
You know, I have never sat down and watched this TV series with you either, which is a travesty. We're gonna have to sit down. That's another one we gotta add to the list. We're gonna watch The Labyrinth, and we're gonna watch The Dark Crystal. And
You already sat me down and forced me to watch Ranma, which I ended up really enjoying.
I've got good taste. Have you watched Inuyasha?
Is that even a question?
Yes, it is. Inuyasha.
Of course I've watched Inuyasha.
Wolf Boy.
Down Boy.
Yes. Yes, perfect. So if I open it up, it's right side up this way, but then it's upside down on top.
And then, well...
So upside down,
Upside
right
down,
side up.
right side up.
I guess if we do that, maybe if we flip it this way. Oh yeah, if we flip it side to side, it works. If you flip it top to bottom, it doesn't. So
Upside down.
this is clearly
Inside out.
the correct orientation. That's how it came.
Upside down.
And the box is well fitting. I'm kind of having
Air seals.
air seals indeed. All right.
That box is pristine. I like that. And it looks like a...
It looks like a
Like a
cargo
chest.
case. Yeah, like a chest. Very cool. All right. Well, will you show the box it came in?
Yeah, this is the original packaging.
Weighed 29 pounds. They even printed the
Fragile.
name and everything on the side there. Firefly 10th Anniversary Collector's Edition. So.
Wait, is there a address on here that we need to look out for?
No, I don't think so.
No? Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Well, thanks for hanging in for all the shenanigans. We're done.
Bye.